Hello and welcome to our channel, where we believe that building wealth does not only benefit the rich and famous. If you've ever pondered how to earn money from the ground up, you've come to the correct place. We will provide real and proven wealth building ideas that you can utilize right away. We will educate you even though you're just starting out or are currently trying to make advances. Join us as we discover the realm of personal finance, providing ideas and tactics to help you make your objectives a reality. We will cover it all from spending and saving to investments and entrepreneurship to support your quest for financial success. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you found it useful. We release new videos about personal finance, wealth building, and other topics on a regular basis. By subscribing, you will also never miss out on our newest financial success ideas and insights. So go ahead and give it a like and subscribe now. Let's get started. Purchasing used or refurbished goods is the first step in saving money. Many individuals miss these possibilities because they believe secondhand or reconditioned things are of poor quality or untrustworthy. Nevertheless, this is not always the case. When it comes to automobiles, for example, purchasing a used vehicle might be a wise financial move. Even if they're just a few years old, used automobiles may be much less expensive than new ones. Even so, many used automobiles are still in good shape and have minimal mileage. Another big-ticket item where buying used or refurbished can make a wonderful alternative is appliances. Because many individuals replace their appliances on a regular basis, there are a lot of high-quality second-hand appliances on the market. Purchasing a reconditioned appliance that has been professionally tested and fixed can also be a smart method to save money. When you examine these possibilities, you may frequently obtain high-quality things at a fraction of the expense of purchasing new. Purchasing used and refurbished products may be an efficient approach to develop wealth from the ground up, and there are tried and true strategies for making the most of these purchases. For starters, investigate the product and compare pricing to ensure that it fulfills your requirements. Search around for the greatest bargains and investigate thrift stores and internet markets. Examine the item thoroughly for damage or wear and tear, particularly if it is an electronic gadget, and consider reconditioned products that have been evaluated and repaired to like-new condition. Lastly, do not be afraid to haggle over the price, as many merchants are willing to negotiate with you. By using these approaches, you may save money on large ticket purchases while also building wealth via wise purchasing selections. The second step for creating money from the start is to take advantage of employer benefits. Besides a wage, many businesses provide benefits. These can assist individuals in saving money, protecting their possessions, and establishing a sound financial basis. A retirement plan such as a 401 or pension is one of the most valued employment perks. These plans let employees save for retirement on a tax-deferred basis, which means that their contributions are not taxable until they're withdrawn. Another key advantage that might help people save money on medical bills is health insurance. Several businesses provide health insurance plans that pay a percentage of the cost of medical treatment, such as doctor visits, medicine, and hospitalizations. Additional job benefits such as wellness programs, tuition reimbursement, and flexible scheduling can also help people save money and live better lives. Individuals may save money, preserve their possessions, and develop a solid financial foundation by taking advantage of workplace perks. How do you make it happen? One successful method is to maximize your monthly contributions by making as many deposits to your employer's retirement plan as feasible, and taking full advantage of every matching contribution. Furthermore, making good use of your health insurance could save you money on medical bills, while taking advantage of tuition reimbursement can boost your earning potential and career chances. You may also bargain for more advantages or perks, such as extra vacation time or a more flexible work schedule, which can lead to more financial security and satisfaction. With these tactics, you may maximize your workplace perks and accumulate money over time, all while increasing your general quality of life. Third step is to educate yourself. It's indeed similar to a secret code that opens the door to new career prospects, bigger pay, and wiser financial decisions. By choosing to invest in your education, you are betting in yourself and opening previously closed doors. See education as a secret passage that leads to financial success. Every step you take toward increased awareness and comprehension is a step closer to discovering hidden gems and revealing the key to wealth creation. You're coming closer to uncovering that treasure and reaching your financial objectives with each new talent you master and each new connection you create. But the route to wealth building via education is more than just looking for the gold. It involves the challenges and opportunities that come with the journey. Every new topic you learn broadens your horizons and opens your mind to fresh perspectives and viewpoints. And through every new individual you come across, you're broadening your network and making crucial connections that might help you reach your objectives. But how do you go about doing so? How can you educate yourself in an innovative and effective way? The first phase is to establish specific goals for what you hope to achieve via schooling. Having specific goals can keep you interested and concentrated, whether you're learning a new skill, expanding your earning capacity, or growing to be financially aware. Next, create a strategy for reaching your goals once you've identified them. This might entail investigating various educational alternatives, developing a timetable for finishing courses or programs, and identifying resources to assist you along the route. Lastly, hold yourself accountable for your education by documenting your progress and evaluating your objectives on a regular basis. Enjoy your victories and make adjustments to your strategy as needed to keep on track. The fourth step is to embrace frugality. Frugality is a great method for generating wealth from the ground up because it allows you to spend less and save more. When you're thrifty, you may live within your means and avoid debt, which is a major impediment for many people seeking to develop money. Frugality also enables you to focus on what is genuinely essential and make more deliberate spending decisions. Rather than spending money on items that do not provide you actual satisfaction or value, you might prioritize purchasing items that do, such as encounters or investments in your future. Furthermore, frugality assists you in developing solid financial habits which will benefit you in the long run. You could build skills and techniques for saving and making more money if you learn to be innovative and resourceful with your money. Being careful of your expenditures is one of the keys to embracing frugality. Before making a purchase, consider whether it is genuinely essential and whether it corresponds with your beliefs and aspirations. You will be able to avoid impulsive purchases and make smarter financial decisions if you spend more intentionally. Finding economical alternatives to the things you like is another way to embrace frugality. This might include finding free or cheap things to enjoy with friends and family, as well as shopping at second-hand stores rather than buying new. You may have a meaningful life while simultaneously generating riches if you find inventive methods to live a happy life without tearing the wallet. Getting support from family and friends is an often overlooked yet effective technique for creating money from the beginning, and this is the fifth step. When you're blessed with a strong support system, you have folks who believe in you and your objectives, and both can offer you the motivation and tools you need to succeed. Family and friends may provide a lot of expertise and experience to assist you in making better financial decisions. They may also provide emotional support, which is important when you're going through a difficult moment or suffering financial difficulties. Moreover, your family and friends would be an endless source of guidance and support. When you watch others achieve their financial objectives, it might present you with the motivation you need to keep going while remaining focused on your own. Having the support of family and friends could also help you remain on track. When you communicate your financial objectives with others, you're more likely to stick with them as well as make progress toward them. So how do you get started? Ask for help. When you want assistance, do not be hesitant to ask for it. Whether this is borrowing money to make it through a difficult period or seeking financial guidance, family and friends can function as a greater resource. Make it clear what sort of assistance you need and the way they can help you. When your family and friends offer you their help, be sure to express your appreciation. A simple thank you will allow you to grow your relationships and encourage others to continue to support you. Additionally, once you've met your financial objectives, pay it forward by assisting others within your community who are attempting to build wealth from the ground up. contribute to the conversation, provide advice and help, and be an example and model to those who are striving. The sixth step is to be mindful of taxes. Tax planning is similar to being a sculptor who meticulously chisels away at a stone block in order to unveil a magnificent masterpiece. A prudent investor considers the tax ramifications of their investments in the same way that a sculptor considers every aspect and detail. Every dime matters when you're starting from scratch, yet taxes can be a significant drain on your hard-earned cash. By paying attention to taxes, you may reduce the flow and keep more of your money for yourself. Consider taxes as an example of a dripping faucet. It might not appear to be a huge concern at first if you let it trickle, drip, drip. Yet over time, those drips might accumulate to become a flood. You can fix that leaking faucet and protect your financial house from flooding by paying attention to taxes. So, how do you become tax conscious? It all begins with education. Consider more about the tax system and how it affects your investments. Consult with a financial professional to develop a tax-efficient investing strategy. Do not forget about tax-advantaged accounts such as IRAs and 401s. Consider more about the tax system and how it affects your investments. You might begin by conducting internet research, reading books or workshops and seminars on the subject. Knowing the fundamentals of tax legislation can help you make smart investing decisions that consider tax ramifications. Overall, it is critical to monitor your assets to verify that they're working as planned. Capital gains taxes should be considered, as selling investments at the incorrect moment might result in a tax burden. To offset any capital gains, consider adopting tax loss harvesting tactics. Think about creating a sandcastle on the beach for our last and seventh step. You painstakingly sculpt and mold the sand into a lovely masterpiece, but you're aware that the waves may come in at any time and wash it all away. Consider creating not one, but numerous sandcastles. Every single one is unique, having its own set of features and designs. As you build, you find that even if one sandcastle is swept away, others remain standing. This is the concept behind building multiple streams of income. Instead of relying on a single income stream, you build multiple that complement each other and give stability if one fails. Take each money source to be a separate sandcastle. Perhaps you have one from your day work, another from a rental property, and a third from a sideline internet company. Each revenue source, like each sandcastle, provides something distinct. When you grow your revenue sources, you not only boost your stability, but also your potential for riches. Profits from each income source can be reinvested to increase your wealth even further. Nevertheless, creating several streams of income is more than simply money. It also allows you to pursue your hobbies and ambitions. Perhaps your day job does not stimulate your creativity, but your side hustle does. You may pursue your passions while remaining financially secure if you diversify your income. Therefore, the next time you're at the beach, ponder how you may use the same idea to develop your money. You may establish a solid and rewarding financial future brick by building multiple streams of income. Starting with your present abilities and knowledge is a tried and true strategy to generate various sources of revenue. Look for ways to use your existing skills and experience to generate more revenue. For example, if you're an accountant, you may begin giving financial counseling services or develop an online course that teaches people about personal finance. You might start freelancing or self-publishing books if you're a talented writer. Another option is to invest in assets that provide income, such as rental homes, dividend-paying stocks, or bonds. These investments can provide a consistent stream of passive income with minimal continuing work. You could also explore launching a business, whether it is an online business or a physical store. The idea is to create a niche that combines your passions and abilities while also having the ability to earn revenue. It is important to understand that the 7 steps we covered need time and effort. It necessitates a readiness to learn, take chances, and be patient. Yet with perseverance and the appropriate strategy, you can succeed. And that's a wrap. Hopefully we were able to demonstrate that the correct response is yes to every step, and that we have also given you practical methods for beginning from zero and expanding your wealth. Remember that building money is not an overnight process, but it is attainable for everyone with perseverance and commitment. You can take charge of your money and make your ambitions a reality by using the techniques we've given. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more information like this. We thank you for sticking around and we will see you in the next one.